the Scholastic Art Writing Awards, Alliance for Young Artists and Writers. This first student won 2 awards. They got a Silver Key Award and an Honorable Mention Award. Nearly 340,000 works were submitted to the Scholastic Art and Writing Awards. And this person's work was adjudicated by a panel of creative professionals and was selected as one of the most outstanding works submitted in the region. This award goes to Kristy S. One of her art pieces that was submitted. The other person who also got a Silver Key, same criteria, so I won't read that all again, also won a drawing and illustration for excellence in visual arts, and this one is Isabel C. So thank you all for doing that. I appreciate it, and let's give them one more big round of applause.